Welcome to Catherine TV YouTube channel. The Influencer.
Hello guys! So, ayan, for today's video, itatry ko yung recipe na napanood ko sa YouTube and testingin ko kung talaga ba talagang masarap siya kasi talagang million views yung hinakot ng recipe na yon. So, itatry ko siya. Sana maka-million views din tayo. Hindi, itatry ko din siya kasi madali siyang gawin. And recently ko lang na tikman yung feta cheese sa salad. Ayan, nag-loading pa tayo. Sa salad. So, masarap pala siya. So, ngayon, ilalagay ko naman siya ngayon sa pasta. Nakapanood ako ng recipe kagabi. And, mura lang naman yung mga ingredients niya. And, napakadaling lutuin. So, ayun guys, samahan niyo ako. At tikman natin kung talaga bang napakasarap nitong pasta na to. So, yun guys, disclaimer lang, itong recipe na ito ay hindi sa akin. At pwede din naman nating dagdagan pa sa mga future. So, first time ko lang itong gagawin. So, yun guys. Hindi ka na. For this recipe, I am going to use cherry tomatoes. And it is important to wash raw fruits and vegetables first because it might contain harmful germs that can make us sick. And of course, we will have feta cheese and virgin olive oil. So, ayan, we will just combine it all in our tempered glass. So, did you know that cherry tomatoes are a small but nutrient-dense fruit that are great for snacks, salads, pastas, and more? Compared with other types of tomatoes, they are particularly rich in antioxidants, which may help protect against cancer, heart disease, and skin damage. I will just place the feta cheese on the center. And did you know that feta cheese are packed with nutrients and can support bone health? It's good for your gut and contains of beneficial fatty acids. And now I am going to pour half cup of olive oil, which is the best choice for cooking because this is the #1 healthiest cooking oil. Ayan. And then I will just add some herbs and pepper. So there you go. That is very easy. And I preheat the oven for 175 degrees Celsius and we will just bake this for 30 minutes. Ayan. So while waiting, I boiled water for the pasta. Ayan. So I checked the oven. Look at this. See? Fresh and beautiful, right? The water is boiling now, so I put 500 grams of pasta. Ayan. I am going to prepare now the parsley. So I took 10 health benefits of parsley in the Google. So the first one, it improves your immunity, full of iron, helps wounds heal faster, keeps your eyes bright and sparkly, promotes a healthy heart, balances body fluids, full of antioxidants, helps to control arthritis, keeps your teeth and gums healthy, and great for digestive health. So this vegetables is really full of nutrients and very healthy. So don't hesitate to add this on your recipe. Ayan. And now I check the pasta if this one is ready pero hindi pa masyado. So guys, if you want me to do more of this kind of video, just comment down below so I can do more of this. After 30 minutes, you can see that the cherry tomatoes are ready. And then I am going to mash the cherry tomatoes together with the feta cheese and mix them well. And then I add the parsley and mix it again. So just make sure the ingredients are evenly mixed. And then I add some more salt. Ayan, it depends on your preference. And then I just put the pasta. So if you want to be more creative, you can just add shrimp, chicken. It depends with your preference. And just mix it evenly. So the paste or the sauce is evenly distributed.
So it is an easy recipe and really full of nutrients because we use fresh ingredients, and I just add some dried herbs. So ayan guys, I will try the pasta now. Ayan. So this is called feta cheese pasta. Ayan, very easy and very nutritious food that you can add on your diet. And here in Saudi Arabia, the ingredients are very cheap.
So, ayan guys, tikman ko na yung niluto natin na pasta. Kung talaga bang masarap siya. At talagang million views yung nag-gain itong video na to, itong recipe na to nung pinalabas nung chef na gumawa. So, titikman ko na. Masarap siya guys. Legit. Bagay na bagay sa mga nagda-diet, mga conscious sa mga kinakain kasi fresh yung mga ingredients natin na na ginamit. And talagang napakadali lang niyang lutuin. 30 minutes lang guys. Meron na kayong pasta. Try nyo na rin.
Catering TV, Catering TV, live streamer.